Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to stop TikTok zooming in on photos. To get started, let's open TikTok app. This is your For You page. Here you can see many icons like home, friends, plus, inbox and profile. Let me click on plus icon. Here if you choose any photos, let me choose this photo. Here you can see it is zooming in. So now what can you do is click on here and click on delete button. In this way you can remove zoom in effect from your TikTok photo. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.